Sukio locates in Nantou town of Zhongshan. 2010 Sukio set up, which is famous for mid to high-end kitchen appliance brand, covering an area of 70,000 square meters. Professional manufacturer of induction hob and infrared hob with more than 15 years experience. Sukio specializes in freestanding and built-in induction hobs and built-in range hood. Sukio annual new customers and new market development raises a lot in the field of kitchen appliances. We have cooperated with more than 100 brands and 70 regions. Sukio is a comprehensive enterprise integrating R&D, production, and sales. The annual production of Sukio exceeds 1 million pieces. At present, it ranks first in the world in the output of China's high-power induction cooker. Excellent R&D. Sukio is professional in induction heating R&D and production, with annual R&D investment accounting for more than 20% of the total annual turnovers. The R&D Center has over 60 R&D engineers and professional quality review panels. We develop over 30 new products each year based on market development and demand. Stable quality. The company has 9 major laboratories and dozens of international standard automated testing equipment. Quality control runs through all production processes. The QC team has over 20 senior testers. Based on international AQL inspection standards, 100% quality inspection of raw materials, random inspection of semi-finished products, and sampling inspection of finished products ensures that the quality of the Sukio hobs can withstand various tests. Strong production. Sukio has 5 workshops, integrating assembly, coil, SMT, PCB, and hardware. Annual production capacity is over 2 million pieces. Product innovation. The significance of updating and iterating Sukio's products lies in creating future home living benefits for global kitchen appliance users. Our products cover regions such as Europe, Asia, North America, South America, etc., covering a wide range of categories such as freestanding cookers, built-in hobs, concave stoves, etc. At present, our R&D advantages have been reflected in our latest products, such as half-bridge technology, magnetic suspension control technology, hidden display technology, 1 PCB with 4 full burners heating technology, and downdraft technology. Authorized certification. Sukio has been awarded TÜV Rheinland certification and CTF registered laboratory qualification by Germany, and has obtained multiple professional certifications, passes ISO 9001, ISO 14001, BSCI, and GSV, etc. global system certifications. Sincere service. After 15 years of development and transformation, Sukio's products have spread all over the world. Adhering to the spirit of striving for excellence as a craftsman, Sukio systematizes the after-sales service process, providing customers with technical support, new product development solutions, market information and feedback, packaging design, to maximize customer benefits. Allowing millions of customers to fully experience rapid response, empathy, value-added services, and customer participation is always the service tenet of Sukio. To understand the international markets well and communicate with clients conveniently, Sukio attends international fairs, including Germany IFA Show, USA IHA Show, China Canton Fair, Hong Kong Electronics Fair. In the future, Sukio will still stand at the forefront of the times, guiding the path of future development with wisdom and foresight, and verifying the power of made in China with high quality.